In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're getting a Google Chrome error here, error code 4, system level. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial on how to resolve this issue for you guys. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by closing out of the Google Chrome web browser here. And you want to go open up the start menu and you want to type in services. Best match should come back with services right above desktop app. You want to left click on that one time. So now you want to go down until you get to the Google Update Service, G Update. So we expand the column here. We can make this a little wider as well. So you're going to right click on that, left click on Properties. If service status currently says stopped, you want to start it. Then click on OK. Now if it still says service status stopped and you get the little error message, change startup type here to manual. Then click on Apply and OK. So once you've done that, if we open up the Google Chrome web browser again, and we go up to the menu icon, go underneath Help and About, you can see we are updating Google Chrome now. So hopefully that was able to resolve your issue, guys. Do hope that it was able to make a difference. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.